Mayam Grumzeri don't Grips Impact News Nay Raj Nongthombam Manung Hutna Hariba 360-degree analysis of news and events ta Mayam Taram Nokchari. Ngasi si August ki tang taragani tho International Youth Deni Naha Singyo iba Malem gi numini Maramaduna Malem gi Naha Singyo numini sida ko gi Manipur gi Naha Sing asi kari tauri Naha Sing sigi da magta akoina kari tofum thui haibagi matang sida wakhan ngatang khanda ba matok tai Maramaduna कोई तो इन तो इन सुहाई नबा मणिपुर सी सेल्फ रिलायंट होइबा मसाना मसा मतुमता लेपचबा ngam adu makhal gi manipur ma naha sing na su ahan sing na su manipur gi mipung khutung na pamba adu makhal gi ideal manipur ni adu bahari makhal gi ideal manipur si self reliant oiba masa marom dom lepchaba ngam ba self sufficient oiba manipur ma ohna gi tamakta ngasi gi naha sing asina ngasi gi mirol sing asina kari to wa mathau ta bagi aduga handak chahi gi oina chahi khuding masi 2000 dagi celebrate taroga lakpani international youth day adu handak chahi gi oina theme si transforming education haidra thammi adu education khakta khoi transform tawraga hairiba akoina pamiba self reliance phangba ngamgadoribra natraga education da transform tawba targa su khoi kari kari di transform tawba mathau tari bagi and beyond education khoi kari kari da su transform tawba mathau tari bagi kari kari tasengna changi bagi aduga manipur gi naha singna self reliant future manipur am gi damakta kari kari tawba mathau tabai habgi matang sida khanane no damtanga impact news ki studio the next library joining us tonight on Manung Hutna nahang akta gi team ni ahan basi Dweller Teas ki founder Oibiribi Eli Yambem ni Eli Bahang Ram Nokchari, welcome to the show. Appreciate you joining. Also joining us, Bright Star Detergent ki koi founder Oibiriba entrepreneur Amakhangni and also MU the research scholar Oibiriba Bosco Kharam ni Bosco so Ram Nokchari, welcome to the show. Appreciate you joining too and also joining us Ignite Club ki managing director Ngathem Chinglemba so Ram Nokchari, welcome to the show. Appreciate you joining too. Ngasi gi wari watai to busi khana basi open when adum thamjagi every question will be open to all of you and anytime adum contribute adum topibi yani but to start with I eli de adum haujarage hatare eli ngasi gi sumba yamna maru ba tangkal sida khoi gi manipur gi naha sing hatare ko hoi mayam amadi magi objective amaga loina mamang da sanction ma mayam su leire madu mayam sing gi maru ngasi election bi panel sing su amani hatare adu mayam amma khoi manipur gi naha sing mayam sing maru su hatare direction phang da bai ga dra goal is somewhere fade out to gi bhai ga dara ai sanction thuse korom dano khang da ba so na sanction jira so na sanction jira khang da gi film da lei basu yam chauna ayam ban ha sing na bam bitai mar da so ai da na sing si hujik manipur gi na sing se karam mong da leri korom da sanction mathau tari transformation of education sune yadori bra kari kari mathau tani kamai yeng bi ahan ba kya tare broad view hai tare pulap oina yeng matam da manipur gi hujik leri ba situation se kamai yeng bi
yam na budi I'm still learning how to understanding what the situation is.
Yes.
But hujiki we na thing na rakpaddi chumi direction se direction kara what pai but at the same time mixed bag neba lairi se aduga he na hujik exposure se like for example having a show like this you know helps in increasing like exposure.
Yes.
Adugi kara even different career paths awareness lakpa and main thing is kugi direction hage my purpose se do I follow the usual path that's expected by the society or what is the inner voice telling me shada own questioning ama adugi do internal driven compass to adugi lahaningen khalleba adu is much needed. And that's something that even koi hujik thabak tawba kan su koi na tawri se kari ge tawri no adugi reasoning se clarity mal haning bado adugi path ta chahaning ba na khalle
okay clarity ma mathak tare aduga internal compass hai tare direction find out to no buki masisu maik sing han bhai ga masu su mathak to han mathak ta habi wahum dunia adubu isagi case ta pe lak jage hai tare sigi atopada hangudar ga su akoina eli da hangja targeti eli gi sigi internal compass hai ga direction find out to no gi damakta masi si kramaya activate to biraki aduga ngasai gi clarity ai son sanga gadam son to udam ni tori to ne gi clarity mayam si the kamaina krai di lobi hata sigi resources hai ga sources hai ga how do you get it?
I think it all goes back to the childhood days, childhood memories. And when I look back, I think either baluk ka sharga pot chaba, adigi haira shemba, adigi even yon ba baluk ka sharga yon ba adumba memories se lerak pase. And going to university taming ai dashu graduation matam dashu just part time job se ne shan create tawraga ai final year hek houdring ai tha full time job phang pa da ina peer to peer atai junior gi sukamai mating panga at the same time amaina haidi adugi tawrak pase adugumba initiatives ishana lojaraga khalak pase that kai tare adu sum khallaga na ina what is it that I really want to do maramakta sum phammaga isha reflection tawjaba haidi khoi tawriba thabak shu very grateful for all the opportunities that we have at the same time khoi gi maramakta isha just alone time phammaga isha da hangjaba what is the dream what do I want to do and why do I want to do it adumana sum questioning sum tawrak pase aina khanbada it slowly adds to having a sense of clarity.
Okay, clarity am lanu ki damta wahang mayam hang mathab dari to hangduri be wahang se mayam haina be wahang yam hangu adu akoi bud leri mayam se da hangada boina khali okay akoi bud leri ba ima papung deor ga oja guru mayam se da su hangada bne adu khwai dagi maru ibo question di isa da su toina yam toina hang mathab ta ai kari to bu pami life ta hebagi clarity se am lanu ki damta wahang se makhan hang mathab ta hebagi waham duni tamna clarity se with time adum lakani habani mathang se Bosco laksige Bosco kari haibini ekoi Manipur University da su mahi tambirakpani tong mahiro myam su imana bo ina classmate oina senior junior loi tinarang ngane du hujik su as a founder amoina koi detergent company am khaki kar kamai yang bi koi Manipur gi naha sing si karma mong da lai moi gi direction si karma mong da haidi yam clarity amaga loina na mayam set in yang bi bra kamai yang bi
at the very outset I am very thankful to Impact TV because this has been a long-awaited day for me, especially. And I get co-panelisting. I'm glad to be here with two of you and the viewers. So, it's a very good question that has been asked. And hojik akhoi state ta lairiba youth sing asi aibu haijau haragadi we really do not know how to value much is haijaningi because akhoi gi thamoida akhoi gi wakhalonda there is a tendency to dependency se documentic wangi otherwise ngasi akhoi na thengnariba unemployment gi like education has become ngasi gi theme sima international youth day ki theme asima transforming education haibani aduna see if we think properly now your education my education is not simply to get a job masi hajaningi maramdi see if you only think for getting employment then you end up learning nothing so I personally to me I think it in this way that education is not only for employment but to be a good citizen of India aduni aduga hojik akhoi state lairiba youth sing asi kangaunaba aduga taubham khangdaba sumba amada lai and I'm not saying that all the youths are unemployed and not doing some are doing but then ayambadi masisi taubham khangdaba maina laibra haina ai smai khali and when we look India si khoi yengagadi 65 of Indians population asi youth sing na sabni aduna masigi 65% percentage population asina contribute fajana tawbirak pataragadi akhoi gi ngasi lairiba corruption gi samasya ngasi lairiba akhoi gi thabak phangdabagi samasya and the nature of depending only on government employees ai phangdragadi masise ai gi I think the value of my education is like tre haibugumba masising se akhoi solve tawba suksoi choidang gani adna and the only thing is that as I have said in the beginning that we need to change the value system of our education the education we should not think only for getting employment but to become a good citizen of India and me amoina poagadi you should believe you should have a firm belief in God isorda cheta thajaba thamgadabni then believe in yourself madugi marakta kanasu like God has given you your hand God has given your head your eyes your nose everything then what do you need aduna akoina hotnaragadi this is a message that I would like to give to the youth especially hotnaragadi what is impossible loinamak possible oibani and then see hotnaba talagadi nothing is impossible haina smaina thamjage
honaba talagadi nat yam jawafna honabu honagde loina ngamgani haibani adubu yam maru orise khogi value system sida koina stress tor se krai the stress tori bano ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯏꯝꯄꯣꯔꯇꯦꯟꯁ ꯄꯤꯔꯤꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯝꯄ꯭ꯂꯣꯏꯃꯦꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯝꯐꯦꯁꯤꯁ ꯄꯤꯕ ꯑꯦꯖꯨꯀꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯟꯁꯐꯣꯔꯃꯤꯡ ꯑꯦꯖꯨꯀꯦꯁꯟꯁꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯍꯩ ꯇꯝꯃꯒ ꯃꯍꯩ ꯇꯝꯕꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯜꯇꯤꯃꯦꯠꯂꯤ ꯖꯣꯕ ꯐꯪꯕꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯂꯣꯟꯗ ꯃꯍꯩ ꯇꯝꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯗ ꯂꯩꯕꯁꯤ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯛꯑꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ एजुकेशन असिन अखोइबा अफबा मियो एमो हेनबगी अदोंदा फोकस तौसी एंड लेट्स नॉट स्ट्रेस ऑन employment but on employability have matang su thambiri am phaja wahum singni ai matang si chinglem dak chinglem ba kamai yengbi khoi including yourself ai tare khoi manipur gi na sing se yamna enthusiastic oi ban hang atne dum in thena jar matam da su khoi chinglem ba su yam enthusiastic oi ba dum la ba na ha mani kamai yengbi khoi gi manipur gi na sing se predominantly mayam se sum loiner ko matam da thena ko matam da khoi gi ignite club su khoi founder oi biri ne duna khoi mi khodi mo ki manung da lei burning desire ma'am se masi ignite toroge have you wakhala mo gal loiner tholok pani na karam makal gi na sing manipur gi music thengna bi kitang tam
well, first of all, thank you so much to Tamil Raj and Impact TV as well. Organizing such events, sumaina ko gi youth ki remembrance ka torga, sumaina sinmai se. I think this is beautiful. This is what we need in this current age and time, Haitarga, to let the youths know that we celebrate you though. We celebrate your presence and we're here together to do something. Haibagi see initiatives there. I want to thank you and thank you so much, and to Eli as well as Bosco. Thank you so much for having. Ada aigi opinion da sum ngasagi akoi ngasigi discussion sida haitare what we can best get out aduga aingoda gi su khanja ba haitare hojigi as aizu adum aigi events idum makhan tawre haitare classic grande da makhan events adum silla ada sigi se taseng na aingoda hajo haitare ga di aina su si hawdokibis it's because I felt that akogi Manipur da su ngasagi labor environment se haitare I wanted to make it rom site gi a global presence ama kamai create to yaga daga sigi initiative se tawsar pani haitare so coming to that question agi opinion haitare akogi hojik se our youth definitely akogi tamona habi gi ba youth ta akogi labor potential yawe habasa I am certain of that 100%. Okay, the thing is we just need to take a step back and really see akoina hojik tawriba education and all this training things which we're doing the saying na sigi sa my ultimate outcome and objectives se kaino amasung sigi akoina tawribagi ultimate results se kaino habse phazan yengbam changran khale have for example hojiki akoigi hojik lairiba education system sida youth sing si ngasagi moina learn to skills the skills they are learning is it ngasagi kari tasengna kari result create tongnaba tawriba training no amasung kyam thini result create tobangam gadage and the education which we're doing sigi tasengna ngasagi result create tobra haibagi su analysis ama tobam changi haitar because akogi social cultural trends in adum carry togi haitar mana si tawramina aisu toba adai mina thabak mana degree am tam grena aisu tamna bhona ba haitar ga sumaina blindly haitar ga adum mayam tawin putong tong na ba se sigi culture amasu dum thengna da binati haitar so ngasagi elina habigi the purpose of life though why am I here what adugi sumaina certain basics questions kar hangmam dakar lebran khale for example like what do I really want to do? Why am I here for? What makes me happy? This should be the guiding lines in making decisions like that. Not parents na kai khanga dagya or parents na su ai gi chanu pasi doctor o heninge or engineer o heninge na hairaga nasagi magi significance ki damakta I'm not being against it but sometimes parents I have seen it for myself parents making decisions like I want my daughter to be a doctor because I feel that's the right thing to do. The daughter wants to be a designer, fashion designer, but our parents want her to be shows the mom actually grabbed her and said you got to become a doctor, there's no chance you're pursuing other passions. So I think this is where we need to really look at sumaina hojiki matam siga thainai matam siga yengna tar there's been a huge shift enormous growth in a call of a button free of cost using Instagram or using WhatsApp, I can actually call somebody in US right now without any charges. Okay. This is the level of technological growth that we are in right now. My dad, my mom, or my brother, or my uncle never had such opportunities to basically make a free call to someone in a different country in seconds like that. With these huge transparent opportunities that we have, Sige advantage. Are we taking advantage of that? We need to discuss on that.
Okay. Advantage. Hadi akuna leiriba akoi the labor opportunities ma'am technological advances ma'am suma mayam se akoi mamangi generation sing na ngasi digi chahi tarakuni mamang da lerma mu sing na haiba taram akoi na horoku matam da thengna kita matani objective opportunities ma'am avenues ma'am lere masi ma'am se koi utilize tau se avni phajana. Yes. adusu sometimes somewhere koi understand tawre naha sing naha gi wanatan every individual like moina si mayam se okay koi disi opportunities mayam se lere masi ju khangjere ai life ta si tobu pa me ju khangjere but pursue tobu su hore sometimes khara madi hog dobu yawi khangdi khangaga hog ngam jada bhai ta procrastinate tawra dum leiba ije khara lere toge hayeng toge hangjit toge sahi sum kan mai togi ba mana ta horuraga makata na magi motivation somewhere magi ba makata to wunga maktaba to ninga taba talak pa haga sum mayam se koi laziness as a human being gi innate tendency amo ibni na lazy oi do mi de kanam lekte aduna lazy ora kan ta somewhere magi goal ga sai hangjeru ba wang ai life ta kari to pa me ha su ka thoki ba haga dra ka thok tra ga su to ninga taba granted lor bhai tara adum mayam yorok bani na so I said that motivation continuous motivation se kai de la ka da gi ha baduni adu dadi kari ba hum thammi
see it's a very beautiful question I think that is the basic essence I believe that this is what I believe you need to have a highly obsessive compelling vision for your life have something that excites you something that triggers your soul on fire I assume by something exciting or something for you not for mom, for dad, or anybody else, but for me. I think what makes me happy, what makes me wake up at night, what puts my heart beating so fast. What puts me on fire? Once you know that, there's nobody that's gonna. It's no more about pull sorry, it's no more about push. I want to do this. I love doing this. I'm excited about this. I'm going for it. I'm being pulled towards the direction. So all the youths, what they need to do is they need to know what makes them excited. What do they really want in their life? Second thing is they're very young. College students, guys, they're about 21 and 22. So young. What they need is they need to find that out for themselves because they'll be spending the rest of their life doing that. Imagine doing a job they hate. What I would suggest is find out what makes you happy. Don't do it for your mom. Don't do it for your dad. Don't do it for anybody else. Do it for you. What makes my soul tick? What makes me excited? And then find a mentor who's doing that thing and connect with that mentor and work it out.
Okay. Life ta ina toning is kaino ina to but kwai nungai jaba adu find out to madu hana khangdo habni ahing tumba ya handa ba adum matam chupada gi wakhal da puning da dum leiba thabak to ina kwai pam jaba madu to habni adu sometimes and many times koi parents no obi na traga ai gi decisions hoi bagi obi for example ai job amada stuck tawre stuck to bana traga so ai hoi kananum uru badagi na traga kananum gi pressure dagi family gi obi madu dagi thabak am tawre doctor or engineer or na traga kenom oiru re khalase but ai na pam badu adu di oram da badi but ultimately ke hage da koi sale amu tolob hai tare tolob se phangam ni tolob tu da mu tolob tu mu gana sacrifice to ningda tolob tu na mu bagi anu wa apam hai ga adu mu or pagi mo lag but ultimately sale du nga to oidur bra ai gi apam ba se sale du na satisfy to duri bra sale du hoi sale du su somewhere kai dum di lak pe adu sale du nga ta yeng do hai ding sa ai gi apam ba du di sini di khange ai pam da thaba ma tawr le re pam da thabak ta gi salary khara phang le re to salary je give up to bangam da ai apam ba thabak se punchi supa tawr dana dum ai si gi bagi film da leidore aduna di swai se da ina Eli da hangjening se huji kari do mathok ta ai life ta kari do pa me ju khangjere ai motivation komai la ka ta ju khangjere adu somewhere ai keno se focus hai ga da in life ta toning ba se shift to bangam de isa gi personal experience sijina bir ga hai tare komai na si ai direct suggestion thok pangam ga da komai to ga kitang hai pi
I believe that it's all about the choices that we make. I don't know, whatever choices that we make, the quality of choices that we make determines how happy, or how we have lived our lives, at the end. Aduna isha personal experience haja dar di ahamdai tumam dai daga khalakpa do aina ishana forced out because I was very grateful for the job that I had that was paying, paying for everything that I needed. And so I was Hoi, adu khalle ba. Ai shadi I'm grateful oire. Adu at the same time, tumam dai daga hekta message ama lakpa do. That's something that I could imagine doing this, that making me very happy or I'm joyful experience mo hen ba do. And I would say that whatever path that we take, there'll always be struggles. Hai the struggle they don't think that all different levels of struggle. And again, that to have a very clear idea of what is it, why am I doing? aduna khang ba se ngamhale eba aduna then we think oh she thoe adudi kai solution puthok pa yage so then we start being creative about what are the solutions that we can come up with to solve our problems and as an entrepreneur as well there'll be always challenges even Manipur the Harga we have so many challenges right now but we always have to think about what are the solutions that we can come up with to make it better adumaina khanbado so again I'm so sorry. Adu high rek.
I am not the cover to be read to Yam Pazawam Zutambiri, Maruina, Kogi, tracks change or Matunga Su Haitara. Aina, Palm the Tabam Dito, Tabak Yam Pazava, opportunities, I got a salary, perks, Mam Pangmanina, Adusunui, Adubu, Numi, Kudingi Emonda, Aibu, Tau, Haiba Tabak to the Atopamo, even in a Maduna change the we, change to Targasu. So on the struggle to row have dinner, I know Pam, Taborgasu, I know quite palms about Tabukasu, do the sort of struggle, Mamlani, I know quite palm the Patab, I know Zictorici, citizen struggle lane, struggle the animal Tadumlani have an edu. Sonakanda, I know Pamsa to Tabak the struggle to the bear to Ubudi Sonakanda, I know Pamsa but Tabak struggle to do the day bear to Roy no wine at the sail to Guinea, have you walked to Miriam, no wine at them Sakini.
Also, I just remembered another point. Aduga long term perspective seeing pay and a kaleba. For example, right now, Hujik Pangeba Tabak Shiko. Again, grateful oi, tijagi ko, tha khudingi lai, mating yam pangi. But at the same time, 10 years down the line, 20 years down the line, when you look back, how would you have, want to picture it? Hai tare. Adugi risk, kona regret minimization. Hai tare. Amoram dati ko. Adi adugi wakan ron dasu. Shum guide adumba wakan adu angle lak kan dasu. A decision the hena keno ibado. Whatever decision that you truly want to make, it helps to make it come true. Hai tare.
Okay. Don't die with your dreams. I dream do go learn a CDC kinu. Sidring at the so na adugi dream to execute toromo haveni. Kharam, Bosco Kharam having sigi dreams me could make the labor. But somewhere I do dream do I convert to Wagadra on Topungam Tabakta in action the Masi on Topungam the Bugi Awabum Lazy. Other I do the carry having. Come on, token either.
This is a question which I would like to answer so much. See, I say, Mayamna, Penoto with the nobody will believe me that I am doing research as well as I'm doing business. So if you really think it is possible, then it is possible. Because aigi punsigi lanpham ama thengnana ba hotnabada aina mayok nariba aigi lanpham asi I know what kind of strategy to use, what kind of strategy to adopt to achieve my goal. Sineba aduna si halaman singna hainaba linsu sinanaba chaisu tektanaba haibdo sometime if situation compels, then we need to do. Aduna akhoi se thaba amma achieve tawnabu hotnabada like when the other one may be paying you better and you still need to do the other work, then I think you don't need to give up. I'll tell you one of my example. I say childhood days tagi, you won't believe. I say right after class 12 loibadagi, I never depend for a single rupees, a single penny to my parents. So, Mantudagi, I started, I educated myself and I was also working at the same time. And I'm a gold medalist in this one, master. So, that too, I got 2 gold medals. So, it is possible. I know it's possible. My clear message to the youth is that it is possible, quite possible. I say, I'm not saying I am the best, but best oidragasu, if you give your best, you can still achieve haibdo ay hajaningi aduga masida akhoigi kainogi Reliance industry ki founder oibiramba Dhirubhai Ambani na sumaina haibirami, if you don't build your dreams, someone else will hire you to build their dreams. Aina haibirambani aduna masi dreams sama phangnaba hotnabada sometimes you need to bear. So see morning, you have to get up before others get up, and evening you have to sleep after others sleep. This is one very simple logic. And one thing, masi sing se sumaina yam chamna haige, it's very practical. Live a practical life. Don't let your mother to wash your plate. Example, after eating, you just pick up and wash. Nangi pukham nangna chabalo hiba pukham du nang nasana. So that's what we are practicing at home. I have my boys and I never told them I never asked them to wash my plate. My mother used to ask me, leave your nangi pido subige thammo hai. I never allowed anybody to wash because Sumaina, when you know your responsibility, so and somebody will say that, oh, you're having so much of money. Why do you need to wash by yourself, and why you need to do these things? And then to me that's funny. Now I'm teaching myself to be lazy. So if you want to become a responsible person, then you need to do from the smallest, and only you can learn. Otherwise, there is no way of learning. You cannot go and learn from outside. You can learn from yourself.
Okay.
So this is the thing I would like to say.
Yam chumba, yam practical oiba, yam macha dagi hai tare. Adu buswai sida Bosco na thambiri wapum sida self-discipline and strong responsibility at the responsibility oibagi aduga strong self-discipline amagi yam chaw mami tai ani si leitragadi yaroiduni adu yam phaja wapum su thambiri isha gi dream du isha na build ta hodragadi atopa amana soidana hire torgani ma gi dream du build na baidana one of the isha gi dream du build we have ne adu yam phaja wapum su thambiri if you think you can, then you can, and if you think you cannot, then you are right, you cannot. Chinglemba da lakchani si soi gi area si orakan sida hoi motivation wafun ju thambire adu actually action do hadi practical oi action khara budi thambi kare macha macha sida gi dum to buya hai na adu taseng na aina toni ba goal se sini khange adu now ai kamaina practically thabak to godagi habdu hoi nang si to godam ni si to goni si to dum ha mayam na di adu gi guideline di lo tak pirga ultimately modus operandi hai ho ke mi khudum gi di loi bi di khenani adu bo si toning bagi burning desire hai ga si tholopangam da basi ultimately thabak to onthopangam da gi awaba ma di dum thengnari dan adai du da di kari to buya kan
sig is the tamonos ke habiru is somebody has a dream, somebody has a desire and wants to do something, but he's not able to do it, or she's not able to do it because of a lot of factors. What can be done to solve this problem and basically get the person to take action towards the goal? So, I feel that's a beautiful question, and everybody has that. I have that, a lot of people have that, even the successful people, everyone of us has that. It's about, to be very honest, I feel, from my experience, what I feel is we are all systems. We human beings are systems. We are like computers. We are like programmings. So we need to educate ourselves like that. We need to really educate ourselves. Just physics, chemistry, function how are we functioning? And what is the function effectively education. So to me, the first thing is, if I want to do something, get around people. Peer groups yes. How is my friends doing? What are my friends doing? Are they passionate about what they're doing? Circles lazy or dull or circle I belong to that group. I will be influenced. So basically I need to get around people who have passion, who mentor mentor area associate connect with those people. Yes. When you associate with those people, when you're surrounded by people like that, you see everything. This guy's doing this, this guy's doing that, this guy's doing this, and I get excited, I get ignited. I want to do something about it. So changing your friend circle is very important, because a lot of it depends. I give friend for example, level 1 because I may get lazy, I may get dull, I may not want to do it. Yes. Somebody who has done it will actually make me do it or teach me how to do it. Or to get around people who are educated and to have people, friend circles, passion over there. Connect over, and to let go of those friends, the old friends who are not. That does not mean you cannot die together in that same pit if you want to make a difference. You come out, and if they're willing to join, take them in. If not, maybe sympathy or maybe they need you, but you have to comfort emotional or situation. You need to know the truth and the fact. What is this happening? Move out to new circle, passionate, exciting friend circle, associate to
okay, friend circle, yamna pan mathokta hai, yam pajawa humni, mam haina basulay, nanga kwai di luno tena ba mi manga khak identify to tho, hair mi manga do komai tawi. Mi manga do na tori piwam do mo mato do nang taruk su na do mo ini hadi nangi namana ba manga do huran boy taragadi taruk su huram do nang zu ini yam bazer wa phum ne thambir se wari chana no ai ngasi na ha jing wari chana je ajun na haw an thoi hai tare yam ngai makha tan wari chana ki do brem ta han lo je ki brek tan ton jer ke impact ni sumeng ta don le Welcome back to Manung Huna a 360-degree analysis of news and events with Raj Nongthombam. Manung Huna ngasi khana jarbe basi International Youth Day August ki tarikh tarai thoi ngasi ni ngasi ga mari lenana lakadori bom Manipur have tare future Manipur se self reliant oiba masa marom dom lepche bangamba yamna nungai ba prosperous oiba Manipur mo henum gi damakta ngasi gi naha singa sina kari to mathau tabage habi matang sida naha entrepreneur singa wari sanajan mani mathang sei Eli de lakchege Eli koi Eli su koi Bosco Kharam su to Chinglemba su om entrepreneur ngatani amata koi government thabak to bunate but ain hangjani si why not government job se kari dong ta to gi dribano adai de tang thambi
Shunga khalude.
Okay.
Ishada ko adi tauni je ishada I could never imagine or believe that I tauni na ko aduna I never considered government job.
Adu peer pressure, family pressure.
Ingon the later shuna, ingon the paude.
Okay.
Aduna even being I the issue ko even small decisions lo birak pase. For example, kai stream tawdoi no ko commerce stream dadum lore. My parents thought I had taken up science and I even forgot moi the high bishu ka or by commerce opta ukhrena ko. So I always thought that all these decisions that really impacted me seriously full time it had to be my own independent decision firstly ko aduna main lor pasida ina sum products chaba aduga what I was passion da yang pakhanda khalakba haidi khoi Manipur da lamdam da leiriba local resources se kyamna ko natural oiba unique oiba strengths amane na khallaga adugi base ta business ama start owning na adi wakhal adum mai ke khitang dum khalle ra bai tar and I think that was what led me to starting dualities adi khoi Manipur ge indigenous herbs ko fruits adu myam she adi mana machine haira sing se sinaraga kamana value additions hapaga product puthoga that can be available in anywhere in the world someday adugi wakhan ron hai tar ko adumai targa chi line dum
eligi anga on ngedi ko jibo horku matam sida government job ki wakhal che nong ta lakhi di habi okhum duni adugo sigi mindset hai tare sigi mindset hai di government ki thabak to godabani habi na tar khona gadabani adugo hujik su koi imano mayam punba matam su harang oni sometimes इमानब entrepreneur ohum pula mekhalaje ohum jimanung da amaga mengi thabak phangi tar gari e mari thabak phangre this is how we talk in Manipur thabak phangba hai je koi private ke thabak tu di thabak ne tha da na tar aina entrepreneurship ke thabak tori se sibu di thabak ne tha da ba government ge any primary school ge jabo ero na tar ga IS pu phangbu bo ero MCS khan bu ero amabu phangtar ga di e ma thabak khan gari hai duni adu aina tori duna thabak na tabi da logba adum bom mathal ge mindset ama leibani na parents su lai naha sing su lai adu ge mindset duri khoi kamaina bust out tawni khai
ashim wagi ji it can be a very negative environment negative vibes ko khoina tawri bi thamoi shek na tawri ba matam sida sigumba kon noises myam lak pa sisu mar mak ta yam disappointing obviously mar mak ta dum phawi ko sometimes I just need to lock myself up and then start questioning so that I stay true to my path ko aduna adumai lak pa kanda phawan ro lore hai tar ko we can have that the power to take in what we need to take in. Adugi aduna every time when I go through that phase, adugi the conclusion the like.
Yes, yam phasu strong individual am oi ba su maru internally haitare. Yamna strong mindset am leitraga di adugi wakhan du su ngamoi duni adu eli hoi da yamna strong mind am manung dagi leibani na sumba mayam ko negative vibe mayam changhan da bang changhan da gai aina pami du da stick tor ga thabu tong ngamini ai Bosco da same similar question e lakche dusi why not government job aduga ngasai sumba makhal ge mindset se koi Manipur society da na Indian society yam chauna le na ko thabak phange hai tar ga diga mingi thabak tu thabak nen khan ba aru akoi myam to thabak se na thabak oi da ba si mongi mom le na ko imanam yam le ma e mari thabak phangre means maga mingi thabak to gre hai ne thabak ti akoi ju to ri ne du ba koi to ri si thabak na da gi mong de isana su sometimes and many times mayam se loi khana ba gi mom le bani na adu gi mindset se si masi education ge through da masi bus to nen hadit masi lok thop ngam nen khan bi bra kama yeng bi
Let me start again with another very beautiful quote. John F. Kennedy magi presidential inauguration speech
okay
28 January 1961 da manas maina haibirami ask not what the nation can do for you, ask what you can do for the nation haina mana yam phajana thambirambani aduna let us not ask what the government can do for us. Let us ask ourselves, what can I contribute for the government?
Okay.
Although honestly speaking, I say government employed not but every month civil servants amagi tax ti ai piri. So so that is my contribution. Actually, I na haijaning badi sinida. I wanted to be a provider, not a seeker. So I say, but having said this, I say I have a vision. I have a strong vision to become a professor. So. And then professor oinana bagi damakta sometime government ki thabak se oiningi oining da bagi nataba that is the stream duna that is I gi wakhaloni oidi oiningi but I do not know whether I'll become or not adubu hojik akhoi gi ngasai jaras na hang biki ba akhoi gi mental ki se I think it needs to change this attitude of the people ko like government gi thabak se natragadi laitre haibegi wakhalon se adu honestly I say haurakpa matamda I started off from zero and then ngasi se I say khwaidagi nakhunba natragasu at least I'm sustainable way self sustained ori I see the sidrina and I never asked any help from the government and then government na mating pang birak pasu laitre aduga we need to have a very optimistic approach optimistic realistic approach ama khoi laibatai aduga khoi education asi ngasai su haubuda aina haijakre madudi education does not necessarily mean that you should get a government job now aina taujari bathaba asi no we need to learn how to respect the work that we do like the work that we do is more than a government job and hojik asi while I'm getting this opportunity I would like to also put one more thing see if you want to become a successful person you need to know how to do things differently, not the same way. So, masida aiga thabak tauminare missing asi. Okay, let me bring another quote again. Jack Ma na sumaina haibirami. You don't need the best people. You need the right people lively. So, this is very important. Aina tauminare missing asi. Lairaba magi nupa lai jadabagumba. Only nupi ngakni. And then magi nupa lai jadabagumba. Then I'm downtrodden oiba. Then I don't fix any time that you should come at this timing and you should go in this timing. Adum ba kem like te. But what I tell them is that noina lakpakanda adu pasisi pot masisi nang hanbiu nang gadavni and then the kind of relationship that you have with your this one no with your co-workers haibtare adu modulai rakanda. That's why I was saying you don't need the best person, but you need the right person. So, and you should have a mentality of helping, not simply for yourself. So, something which I always keep reminding myself is that I say, I have to leave this world and go. Aduna, while I still live here, I should be good to others, and that's why I believe in humanity. I say my religion is humanity. I believe in humanity and I believe in helping people. And I tried reaching out to maximum. Aduna I che government gi thabak tawramagdi ngasi aina chatliba mi unariba hospital da visit tawriba aina help tawriba mayam asi taw phangamoy because I will not be getting as much holidays as that. So aduna government gi thabak tawramdaba no having being able to do my own because of the by the grace of God and because of the blessing of God. So we have to respect this, and if we know how to respect this, I think that will be a solution.
Okay, yam phajaba point sing ne karam na thambiri se makhata na Chinglemba sulak chile Chinglemba gi de kari soi se take haitare kari wakhum thambini gi government job. Why not government job? Koi Chinglemba su yam qualified mi sam khani government job tanaram boya pursue torom boya but pursue to hota aigi life aigi punsida pamjaba hoi desire am haitare dream ma don da pursue to ri na budi takpiri adu why not government job adu koi government job ki lainari ba attitude haitare adu sigi attitude se Manipur dadi this not a mere attitude masi hujikte lifestyle oigrabane aigi cha sing aigi chai su ai sama government gi thaba am phangpham thui phangnam hona gadabni habase now it has become a lifestyle aduna sumo makal gi attitude tagi lifestyle oigraba sumo makal gi ka haitare wakhalon mayam si lokthong hona bada kari tabu matok ta ju thambiramu but ahan basi why not government job?
Yeah, so I think that's a very beautiful question. I am flowing kale. I think this all goes back to the basics. What am I living for? What am I really doing this? Why am I doing what am I doing that? I think this is the most important question. I want to ask this question. I also ask myself, I guess the family government job but the question is, I want to ask is, why everybody is pursuing government job? Why? What is the reason behind it? Is it because of security? Or is it because of passion?
Yes.
I'm passionate about making a difference in this particular domain, in this particular sector. That's why I'm pursuing government job. I have a responsibility towards this and I can make a difference. Is it because of that, the reason, the intent for pursuing government job? Or is it because I feel secure at the end of the month, I'll get a paycheck? This is the reason why I'm pursuing government job. Now I need to ask a question on this, and I'm very blessed. I was fortunate at the education minister who yarga government policy same the discussion I think that's a beautiful objective. The real question is re-education, re-education. Now let's say that somebody is not able to get a government job. The question is, will he never be able to earn money? Is that the only way he knows how to make money? That is only through government job. Is that, now this is the question. What is the education? Education, what is the purpose of education? In this world, if we go outside states, and there are lots of ways in which people can earn income. There are lots of ways, multiple ways. So the world is catching up so fast, and we're just in a cocoon, focusing on survival. The essence of if you're passionate about a government job, that's well and good. But if it's for security, I think that's wrong. I'm wasting my life because I want to survive. Where security is, I want to pay a lot of money so that I feel secure for a paycheck. That is so wrong. On a re-education, you need to learn financial education. There are lots of things happening. There are lots of youth financially strong. They didn't start financially strong. They invested, they worked, they studied financial education, real estate, stock markets, investment opportunities. These are available in the fingertips. Mentors are available, and youth are actually pursuing that. You can actually invest in this global world. The world is wide open. It's an open market. Basically, what you need to is re-educate yourself so that you're financially literate to be able to earn income. If you're trading your time for money, it's a wrong concept.
Okay.
That is not how it should be. Trade your time for what you're passionate about. Passionate about the difference you want to make, the impact you want to create. Trade your time for that. It's a one-shot game. One-shot life. You don't get a second chance. So on this, find what you love. If it's concerning money, the education that you focused on is education, the real impacts, real values. Are we doing the most important things? Have we done financial literacy? Have we focused on financial education? Have we helped youth how to earn income, investments? Are we focusing on that? Self-development, for example, survival, lives in my house. If we are constantly trying to survive, the most important thing is you need to get out of this, understand am I trying to survive or am I trying to thrive? Am I wanting to make a difference? Go pursue people who are making a difference. Study, read people, what they are doing, how they are doing it. Educate yourself on that and work towards it. So
Okay. Yam phazab wafum singni government gi thabak tu passionate oirubagi passion amabu fulfill tawnugi damakta yam passion amagu loin yam passionate oina tawba taragadi government gi thabak oigera amogera loi phai habani aduga security gi damakta survival gi damakta taw taragadi madu kogi government job oiro natraga any other job oiro madu yamna aran ba mongi disaster namani hay tare maduna passion gi damakta tawsi habani government gi thabak pu tawruga su private gi thabak pu tawruga su any form of thabak tong matamda passion du yengsi habi wahum du thambi adu education gi matang so dum happy dum thambi ba hore but hojik leri ba khogi traditional form of education ha ga natraga koina kind of education we are getting from the schools, universities and colleges. So mayam sina enough oidre haven't doing a see what is the happy with them toxere. Koretuan Makali education mamatari. Probably Madrusu Rambia Kuzik, Anoba, national education policy, Puturagats and Abahona Yamkan drop national education policy, same than frame to give a horse. I don't know who education policy the su a curriculum to the Sumayam change the lacto di male. Adabu, Hoju Pausa the Quena Tori education systems in somewhere a coise, Quena Pami, Badum the Yohan Bangam, the Bimam Tapasumali, Marabunga Sikitims of Hauba. Transforming education guideline. Other transformation palm target the education set up. Karma Makalgi education at the Karma Monda, either education, Karma Monda, we transform Toba, Napadong Mali, Tahoning Isagi, Apamba, either Eli, come I having.
More on the issue school just had I I don't know if my answers would be good enough.
Yes.
But revision budi daka tayo na khale so that it's more relevant to the current times. Aduga atopa areas ko government job is one of the avenues, but there are also many other options that students can have. Can look at hai targa adu mayam adigi relevance to relevance to focus to haning ba hai targa ko how relevant it is to the current times se adu gi adu gi
only ba ko gi matam chana ba mong hai tar education su matai da kitang tweak to ba sem dok matok tani habani Bosco Kharam kari habni transforming education kar mong da transform to do no adu ko transforming education se transform to ganda akoina pami ba society natraga koi pami ba youth akoina pami ba generation adu phangba ngamni khambi bra kari hom thabeni
yeah aigi wakhalonda education system se transform taunanda bagi tamakta I think we should completely not completely but we should say 80-90% abolish the western style of educating adu because I would like to focus more on what we have here.
Okay.
Akhoi society like we are so rich in our indigenous knowledge and we are so rich with our own potentials and resources that we have. So must the focus tawakanda if we can teach the students about the resources that we have here, about the potentials that we have here, about their capabilities that we have, then must imposing education se tokpakanda when we start imparting the practical education, masi soidana koi changes transformation soidan lakni agi wakhaloni then and there has to be a love the youth has to develop a love for the society. Now I don't think any youth has a love for society. Their love is only to get government job never. Now the problem is this. That is why today we are only literate, not educated never. So we need to be educated. We need to be educated, and then for this, see, as I have said, we need to understand. We should stop talking about US system or Europe system, that system. Now we should talk about the rich nature that we have, the rich resources that we have, and we should try to make a best use of this. And then if we can educate our youth in this way, I think it will be definitely good. I just brought these books to show you that. See,
Anthropology Today.
See, this is an international peer review book. And these are all books which I have contributed. So along with my business, what I would like to say is that it is possible. Possible however. So I'm writing on my own society. I'm trying to contribute, and I will continue because I love writing, and I'll continue writing. So I think if the youths can be educated in this way, if the education system can be transformed in this way, definitely there will be changes in future.
Okay, yamphasu bahum chane khogi leisure ba khogi local hai ta locally available oriba indigenous knowledge mayam hai ta sisu khoi tamsi masisu explore tog je habagi suggestion ne khoi education system se yahon bagi ai chingle madra chage chingle madra sai to ba financial education bo hairo to makal ge education hai riba education makal singa se khoi ji traditional form of school education hai gadra dra college and university education je aya man yaw do nga tani aduna hojik pami ba khoi transformation of education karam makal ge transformation suggest to ni na ha mo ni kariya wam dam
I sum khanjab da I feel our government is also working really hard and in wanting to make a difference. I come from a place where I say, I see that you're trying to make a difference, and I want to be a team player, not against the government or anybody to be against it, but to say, hey, you're doing something awesome. Let me be a part of it. Let's see what I can contribute also. So, so the area where I would like to focus on is education, sigi outcome as an addition or in what is the result of this outcome? Of this education, see, what is the concrete, when a student comes out from college, from the various degrees and subjects they have finished, what is the result? What is the ultimate result in life, not in books? Life, I'm a hing pumatamda, the saying na kari outcome pirigasi, student amana tholk pumatamda college lagi. That's what I want to focus on. Kari difference lie in their perceptions, in their mindset, kari skills hengalagi, kari thought process hengalagi. And karamba level the contribution pibangamagi haiba sigi area sida ta saying na focus tawrag haitan education se sida erin toba yaga dran hale hada so certain areas agi wakanda haitagadi akwai the potential laitaba natte is I completely agree that we have the same resources like any students in any part of the world. The thing is about how we train ourselves, the education we're feeding ourselves. Adugi difference to wakata never. And so what I would like to add in, I say the most important areas in life that quite maru in a changba area things the focus to waitare. For example, self-development. Without me developing myself, how can yam lazy or ba yam negative or me na he can never grow. So akwai basic areas that makes life thrive. Life see education sin maram oiduna life see thingnar ko matam da thoklaga thingnar ko matam thriving oiba profound results create to ngambagi education in all areas to hide that, because the education objective I feel is to support an individual in its unique talent and help him make a difference. This is why we all come here in this education field. Arna tasing na outcomes yang ko matam da most important areas we discuss tobra are we working on self-development, suicidal tendencies, depressions, all these things. Do we have a discussion on self-talk? Important basics. Miyam na hingba matamda the same positive results create ngamba adugam flow in hingba yabagi areas. Second thing is relationship. Do we discuss about this? A boy and a girl is of course going to get into a relationship if they want to. You cannot stop somebody from getting into a relationship. That's part of the process. Now, what happens do you slap your daughter? Do you slap your son because they get into a relationship? How do you go about, when there's a conflict happening in a relationship, how do you go about resolving? What do you teach them? These basic areas, life, the hing, the changba areas, yamna important way things that the saying na real education, difference create over area, the focus to same health key areas, financial literacy is very important. We need to educate ourselves. The world is doing it. We need to participate in it. I see some of it participate, financial literacy, not just job, the depend or survive over hing, but nataba. To educate yourself in such a way that you can create passive income for yourself. Be connected with the global world. Now, a person can call somebody in Google, Google search, or can call up a company right now and discuss about it, associate about it. The world is quite open to take that subjects. What is the point of education if you have a certificate only, if you can't make a difference? Are not building confidence, importance, optimization, optimum optimistic thought process ka built over, resourcefulness ka built over. If a problem is there, training the individual to be able to be a solver, a problem solver, amagi qualities built over. But problems that there. This is how you gotta think. Real life sit thing na matamda solve to ngamba, results create to ngamba, growth create to ngamba training ama. Aduda focus to not just subject basis to loga marks to independent because we're gonna sink. Problem ama challenge if you are not trained. If I'm not trained, I'm gonna sink. But if I'm educated, I'm trained, regardless of where I am, I can solve it.
Yes.
Sigi
problem solving quality hai kadra problem solving sigi ability se mipum khudi makta mas inculcate to bhai tar du makal gi education ma lahan ba matab ta ha suggestion ni plus koi Bosco Kharam su ton ba koi Elina su ton ba suggestion mayam apam mayam phongdo piri yam noi wari sana ba se matam se jar hoge bkhang de so makal gi multiple sessions we need hai tar future da su makal gi session mayam ma tor matung sida koi nahasing na kari pami nahasing na kari contribute to ri duga tung da kari or pe hai mayam se koi idea lo bi tanjaju phangni duga atopa koi peer group hai ga duga atopa viewer mayam da su masina thoidong na kana badum pigni habagi thajab lai je duna su makal multiple session am logjar ke ngasi yo ne di hai tare swai sida tension jab tare ya adubu yam ngai ngasi gi telaba matam sida koi Elina adigi Bosco amadi koi Chinglemba na contribute to makal gi contribution mayam pibiri aduga ngasi thorum si hena mapung phab mo le aduga lakhadruba future Manipur hai tare self reliant khato oibna tana su makal gi Eli gumba Bosco gumba amadi Chinglemba gumba makal gi Manipur se laitar gadi so idana Manipur ngai Manipur mo iduna adu makal gi future Manipur da khosi am lainingi laiba horobani Eli hoy Bosco hoy and Chinglemba already contribute toroba horobani aduga hoy Eli gumba Bosco gumba amadi Chinglemba gumba mi masing sa ra mo gana yam tar gadi yam na ngai ba society madi so idana oigani habagi wahum du thamjage aduga loisala pese ngasi gi thorum si ba thawai happy pagi damakta mapung pan pagi damakta ohum pa mukan tha so panukchari thank you so much Masin ngasigi manu hongi thorong ngasigi edition sekram to biwe ko kan bir piyagani koi mail id impactvnews@gmail.com natra koi Facebook page www.facebook.com/impactvmanipur da join to birga comment amadi feedback tha bir piyagani. Well, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining us from the other side of the screen. Until next time, this is Raj Nongthombam signing off.